In this video, we will study about Python fundamentals. As every language has its own alphabet, in the same way, Python has also a well-defined character set. Python character set includes letters, as Python is a case-sensitive language, so it differentiates between capital letter and small letter. Digits. All special characters of keyboard are the part of Python character set. White space. And other than this, all ASCII and Unicode characters are included in Python character set. As after learning alphabet, we learn word formation in any language. In the same way, the smallest individual unit in a program is known as token or lexical unit. Python has following tokens: keywords, identifiers, literals, operators, and punctuators. Now we will know these tokens one by one. Keywords. A keyword is a word having a special meaning reserved by programming language for a specific task. For example, if is a keyword to check condition in a Python language. Identifiers. The name of any variable, constant, function, or module is called an identifier. As identifier must have some naming rules, so identifier name must start with letter. Identifier must not be a keyword of Python. Identifier cannot contain any special character except underscore. Literals. Literals are the data items that have a fixed value. Python allows several kinds of literals. String literals. Any character which is enclosed in a single quotes, double quotes, or triple quotes are considered as a string literals in Python. Numeric literals, Boolean literals, special literals, literal collection. These all literals we will study in further video. Operators. A symbol or a word that performs some special operation on a given value and return the result are the operators. For example, plus, minus, multiplication. Punctuators. Punctuators are the symbols that are used in programming language to organize sentence structure and indicate the rhythm and emphasis of expressions, statements, and program structure. For example, comma, parenthesis, these all are the punctuators of Python. Now we will take one example to see these different tokens in a program. Here, num is an identifier as it is a variable. 1 or 11, these are the literals, these are the numeric literals. For and print, these are the keyword. It has some specific purpose in a program. Multiplication is an operator which is going to perform the task on these two values. And punctuator, which is a separator. This comma is a punctuator here which separates the different element of a program. So now we conclude this topic here. Thank you.